Guys, good evening all. I shared my screen. Can one confirm can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the last session I was discussing about uh, alter, update, and then truncate, delete versus and drop, right? So this is the commands. I think almost the 5 commands we discussed. So today I'll be discussing again update command. Okay. So first, yeah, we'll go with these differences quickly. Uh, what is the difference between drop and truncate? Anyone? Drop and truncate. Differences.
Drop will delete both data and table. Truncate will only delete data. Table remains.
Correct. And the difference between drop and delete.
Delete is used to delete specific row
Mm,
and drop
correct.
entire table.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. And so among the three, using which command, we can do rollback among the three.
Delete.
Yeah. Delete. If you delete anything, yeah, you have a flexibility to, get it back. And which one is slow among the three? And why? Guys, among the three, delete, drop, truncate, which one is slow and why?
Delete, sir.
Why?
Because it has to check every row for the condition.
Correct, correct. Since it has to delete row by row, okay, it will take some time. Okay, and yeah, in delete, how? I mean, what is the importance of where class?
User to apply conditions, sir.
So you should say, is it to apply the condition with where specific rows deleted? Without where, it is a simply like your truncate command only, correct? So that's delete drop truncate, and then let's jump into alter. Yeah, what main difference between alter and update case? What is the main differences?
Update is used to modify row info
Mm,
and alter is used to modify column info.
correct. And can one unmute and tell me the syntax of alter? Syntax of alter.
Alter table name,
Mm,
add, drop, rename, modify.
correct. Subcommands. Right, you're right, Devi. So alter table name. So any one of the subcommand, we can use it. Okay. So who is this Habita? Hey, Habita, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you a team lead?
No, sir, no, sir. I'm just changing now.
Since day one I was seeing your name.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, ma, no issues. Okay, I thought that you are working professional. Okay,
No, sir, no, sir.
okay, uh, fine. So guys, I think we'll good to start. The update command. So what I'll be doing. So this is the table I'll be taking today for the update command. Okay. So this table, if you see, I have a let's make this column name is ID. Okay. The column name is something ID. Okay. ID. I mean employee ID. Employee name. Let's make this column name is something very smaller. Let's say depth. Okay, and then salary and then city. Okay, ID, name, department, salary, and city. I know you are worrying about constraints. Okay, yeah, intentionally have not, I think, not created a constraints for this table. Okay, yeah, we know, right? A table without constraint also it will work, but yeah, it will allow the bad data. Okay, just don't focus on this. We will be practicing the update command scenarios now. Okay, so for that purpose, I'll be taking this table reference. So I'll be copying this table, okay, and I'll be pasting it. You do same, okay, you do same. Just do a commit, just do a commit, and do a select star from employees. Okay, I think you got the data, and I know you never get this data in a proper format. So what I'll be doing, I'll be going to the Oracle GUI mode. I'll be taking one snapshot here. I mean, I was taking one picture. Maybe I can represent you the picture quickly here. Wait. This is November 12. The class number is, I think it's 9, I believe. Right. Let's edit with paint. Okay, so my DB name is here Chanti, and the password is Apple, and we have so many database objects. So I'm browsing table object. So the table was created and we did commit. So this is employee table. If you click on data, okay, you can able to see the data. So guys, this is the data. Because if I show you this kind of representation, this will be very easy to you to write the queries. The first thing, you need to buy hard the syntax. Okay, so maybe I can show you the syntax one more time. Let's delete this everything. Yeah, guys, this is a table. I think everyone has a good look. If not good look, let's zoom it more. Let's take this picture one more time with snipping tool. And then almost. Yeah. So guys, this is a table. I think everyone able to see this. Okay. Now guys, totally if you see, we have 10 rows. Okay. We have totally 10 rows. First, I'll keep the syntax. Okay. I'll keep the syntax on the top, and then we'll start write the queries. Okay. So the syntax is update. Yeah, I'll go with this way. Update your table name. Okay. Your table name. Then you will be using set your column 1 equal to a new value, and then column 2 equal to a new value, so on. And finally in a square basis, okay, in a square basis you have to write a where space, you have to write the condition part. That's it. So maybe I'll apply some decorations for it quickly. Okay, I'll apply some decorations for it. Let's keep this is to 18. Okay. And yeah, so guys, this is the update command. So whenever you use update, you should say table name. Okay, in the first line, update table name. And second line, you have to use a set command. Okay. And whenever you use a set, you have to tell what is a column and what will be the new value. Okay, what is a column and what will be the new values. Focus your eyes on green and sky blue color symbols. Okay. And finally, you have to write the where class. So I'll be taking a purple color for you, and the condition you have to write is something red color, and this is optional. And yeah, the summary of this, without where all rows gets updated. Okay, without where all rows gets updated. With update only with where only specific rows will be updated. Okay, so I think guys, syntax wise this is good. I believe only 3 lines: update table name, set column 1 equal to new value, column 2 equal to new value, so on, and then finally can write your where class. Okay, let's get into the requirement one. Okay, let's get into the requirement one. We'll go one by one. So requirement one is this: if you see the right side table, okay, right side table. Yeah, if you see the table, let's say John. Okay, John wants to modify his city to Hyderabad. Guys, this is a requirement. Okay, this is will be your requirement. I think. See, John. How many Johns are there?
On John.
Only one John. But with name, we cannot particularly pointed him because there could be a chance multiple Johns. But here the Johns in the sense, what is ID?
110.
110.
Okay, so then this is your clear, right? So guys, whenever you got a update query, first try to understand what filter you need to apply, okay, and for what column you need to supply the new values. I'll repeat the requirement one more time. Only two things you need to get the clarity. One is, should I do filter or not? Okay. Point number two is, for which column, what new value I want to supply. This is the only thing you need to know it. You're clear?
Sure.
Hey guys. Okay. Now tell me, is filter is required or not as per the requirement? I mean, are you modifying
Required,
all
sir.
the employees or are you modifying a specific employee details?
A specific employee.
Specific employee.
Correct. So your where class is required. Okay. Now, if you read the requirement, tell me which column value is changing. ID or name or department or city or salary.
City.
Which column value is changing?
City.
Okay.
sir.
So now you got two classes, correct? So chalo then apply the requirement, apply the everything into your query. Now, yeah, we'll write the table name. Okay. The table name is employees. I think this is clear, right? Update table name, set. Tell me guys, which column value you decided to change?
City.
City. Okay. And what is the new value you decided to apply?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Make it is, in single quotes since it is a string. And you decided to change only one column value, right? So just keep it as is. Yeah, we decided that the filter is required. Yeah, and we have to filter, only one row. So if you want to fetch only one row, always go for primary key. So for this table, the primary key is ID and its a value is 110. That's it, guys. My query is done. Review it one more time. Okay, remaining all very simple. The typical part is understanding this query only. Two sections, guys, you need to notice. Two sections. Section 1 is filter. Okay. Section 2 is setting new values to the old columns. Setting new values to the specific column, sorry. Setting new values to the specific columns. So what, how this query will run? First, what where will do? It filter this ID. So this ID means 110 row will be picked. Only 110 row will be picked, entire 110 row. For that row, it will take city. Old city is Mumbai, and it update to Chennai. That's beauty of set command will do. I'll repeat. First, where class will filter the row, okay, and whatever the row we got it for that row, new value will be being set here. I'll quickly show you this execution. Okay, go to the SQL prompt, run your query. You got a wonderful message saying your one row gets updated, and if you want to see it, yeah, better. I already opened a GUI mode. Okay, a GUI mode. So go to your GUI mode, guys. 1 second. I think my WhatsApp gets open. Okay, yeah, guys. This is GUI mode, and let's do a refresh. Let's do a refresh on browser, guys. On top. Okay, and you can click on employees again table. Click on data, and you can see here 110. Okay, 110 city is Mumbai. I know the reason why it is not updated. Anyone unmute and just guess. I know. See, DML commands are there, na? DML. What are the DML commands? What are the DML commands? DML commands are insert, update, delete. Whenever you use these three commands, okay, ensure that at the end of the query, you should do commit. Okay, whenever you do insert or update or delete, ensure that you should do commit. Otherwise, this data, okay, may or may not be available in the DB. Okay, now I did commit, right? Okay, now I did commit. Now if you refresh, okay, now if you refresh and if you go to data, I'm sure it will be updated. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's get into the second requirement now. And this time, I was expecting the query from you. Okay. So the entire query you have to tell. And first of all, you have to summarize me what filter need to do and what columns need to moderate. If you have it too clarity, then the query is simple. Okay. Let's get into the requirement. So the requirement is David. Okay. the guy David. Okay, David wants to modify his department to HR, and his salary to something, 80K. That is his requirement. Okay, chalo guys. Anyone unmute and just summarize me this. Two things you have to tell.
We are updating two columns, sir.
First thing, filter is required or not?
Yes, sir, required.
If it
We
is
are
required,
updating only one
yeah, tell me in where class, which column I have to pick.
primary key.
Correct. How many rows you need? Only one row, right? David
Only
row,
one row.
104. Yeah. So now you know filter part. So what is the filter part? What is the filter
Where
part?
ID equal to 104.
Correct. Correct. This is, I think, everyone clear. Now focus on this one. Tell me again, how many columns he decided to modify?
Two columns.
Columns.
Tell me what is the first column?
Department.
Department.
Department to,
HR.
HR.
okay, comma,
Salary.
correct. Salary equal to
2000.
80K.
80K.
80,000.
That's it. So this is something, he need to do it, guys. I think I'm done. Guys, I was not running the query. Okay. I know this will run. But okay, I was not running this query, but you guys are following, right? How the things are happening. Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's get into the one more requirement now. One more requirement now. Give bonus to, guys, observe carefully. Give bonus of 2K. Give bonus of 2K to all employees. Okay, guys, this is a requirement. This is the requirement. Maybe wait. Whose salary is below 50K? Guys, this is a requirement. Maybe I can copy this and I can give you one more requirement also. Wait, let's do this. Guys, requirement 4 and 5, you see. Yeah, sorry, 3 and 4. In 4, is a filter is required or not?
Not required, sir.
Why?
We are
Not
updating
required.
all the rows.
Okay, chalo, guess this query. Acha, see.
Update employees.
Wait. We'll go step by step. Deva, I think you are already from CSE background, right? Can you mute yourself, please? Maybe I can, discuss with
Sure.
us. I know you'll
No
tell.
No
Okay.
problem, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Deva. So, guys, tell me in this query which portion I have to remove first. Fourth one we are talking about. Filter is required or not?
Yes. Not required.
Chalo, remove the where class. Okay. Now, bonus means what? For his existing salary, we need to add 2K, correct? For
Yes.
existing salary, we need to add 2K salary. Guys, if you read the requirements, right, in SQL, first time when you read it, you'll be blank. But you will keep on read the requirement again and again, you'll get the clarity, okay? And then put it into the query. Now, bonus means we know. Let's say I have a salary of 40K. Now, from this month, I'll get 42. That's the scenario, right? Now, tell me, guys, which column value you are modifying? Name, department, salary, or city?
Salary. Sir.
Salary.
Now you know the column. The column is salary. Okay, for salary, his existing salary plus you need to add 2000.
2K.
Yeah. Everyone understood, right, this query?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think this is not tough to you, I believe. Okay, chalo, get into this one, guys. Get into this one. Now, I think half of the query you know. Guys, half of the query you know. Hey, half of the query you know,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So maybe I can write the query up to here. Now, is a filter is required or not?
Required, sir.
Focus this query, this requirement.
Where salary is
Where
less
salary
than
less than
50K.
50K.
Correct. Where salary less than 50,000. Guys, I was not running these queries intentionally because I was assuming that everyone is following. Okay. Guys, are you clear? The third and fourth, I was not running the query. You can run it later. Are you guys following?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, nice. I think this is you can give a try. I was not running it. And one more very interesting part I'll show you today. Your phone pay. Okay, this use case I'll take it quickly today. Okay, so in phone pay, you will do transfer your money to your friends, right? And your friends will send the money to you, right? And whenever they send money or whenever you receive the money, okay, there's a I know a time tracking also will happen, right? So that's how guys we'll see next 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I'll be taking a quick table. Okay, the table will be something P pay users. Okay, phone pay users. Okay, the table name is phone pay users, and the columns are guys. Yeah, I think yeah, phone number I'll be taking. The first column has phone number. Okay, and name. Okay, and amount. Okay, and yeah, let's say created and comma modified. Guys, this time I was expecting you how to tell me the entire query. So this is my table. Okay, and these are my columns. Guys. These are my columns. Guys, help me how to create a table for this. Go ahead.
Create
Hmm.
table
Hmm.
PP users.
Hmm. Okay. Can we use ChatGPT for this? For a time being? For a time being. Can we use ChatGPT to make the things faster? Guys, hey, I know you guys are using it, but let's see. Hmm. Create table in Oracle SQL for the below structure and insert insert pyros. Insert pyros. And here I'll be make sure created and modified columns should take sysdate. Guys, you understood, right? What I did? Hey guys, you understood, right? What I did?
Yes, sir.
So what I'll be taking? I'll be taking the just nothing is there. I just reduce over time. I'll just reduce over time. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So guys, if you see now, the table name PP users, phone number is I think yeah. So guys, don't worry. I'll take you the difference between your what do you call it as varchar and varchar2 and all. No worries. So, but it has to be number. Okay. Let's go with the number and the size is let's take 10. Okay. I think name varchar2. Okay. Amount. Okay. 10 to comma 2 created it. Yeah. System date modified it. Okay. Let's take this guys in our user defined names. Rajesh, Arun, Madhu, let's say Kiran, let's say Veda. Okay, so these are the folks. And there's this account number also for for more usability purpose. I'll be giving very simple numbers. Okay, you can imagine that these are the real phone numbers. Our phone numbers are linked to account numbers, right? So yeah, that way you need to understood. That way you need to understood 104 and this is something now 105. Okay, fine. I'm done. Let's do a commit. Let's run the select command. I'm sure the select command will not show the data properly here. Let's do this. Yeah, I think I'm done. Let's go here, refresh your browser. You have a phone pay users data. Go to data. Yeah, guys, you got the data. Sorry, I think I'm better to take, uh, system timestamp because since we are taking the time, so let's do this. Drop table PP users. Okay, drop table BP users. Now, guys, help me. What should I do? I want to take timestamp.
This timestamp, sorry.
Here.
Timestamp.
Here we have to use timestamp. Here.
System times.
This timestamp.
Correct. You know the differences, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Along with the time
Guys,
window.
did anybody get a chance to do that? The requirement that I had given, book my show. Anybody at least started working on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Nice. So let's get into the data. Okay, let's refresh it. PP users, data. Yeah, guys, I got the data now. This is the table. Guys, you remember the syntax, right? Just remember the syntax and we will be, practicing the queries for it now. Okay. This is my table. So we'll talk this real use cases that what we were doing every day. Okay. Let's take a requirement one now. Requirement one is let's say Rajesh and Arun was friends. Okay. But let's do first individual, operations. Okay. Nothing but, Rajesh receives. Okay. Rajesh, no. Assume his father was, sends some money to him. Okay. So this query will go this way. Rajesh receives 200 rupees, guys. This is the requirement. This is, the requirement. I think what it is a deposit or credit. Guys, is a deposit operation or credit operation?
Credited.
Yeah, it's a credit operation, right? Abhita, can you go mute? Thank you. Guys, go ahead. The query. Guys, update.
Prepay users.
Abhita, can you go mute, please?
Prepare users set.
No. Abhita, I'm saying, can you go mute? Thank you, Mark. I can see some noise. I mean, I can hear some noise. Okay. Yeah. See, guys, update PB users. So tell me, guys, two things you need to know, right? One is filter is required or not. Are you updating all account holders?
No, sir.
No.
No. Specific account holder. Who is that guy?
Rajesh.
I mean, what is his phone number? Phone number, you should say. 10101. So filter is required. Okay. Now, which column value you are changing? Okay. Which column value you are changing?
Amount.
Amount.
Exactly. Go ahead. Set. Which column value you are changing?
Amount.
Amount equal to credit is nothing but plus or minus.
Plus, sir. Plus, sir.
200.
Debit
Amount
means
equal
minus.
to amount plus 200. Amount equal to amount plus 200. Guys, I believe everyone is following. So this is the update command. This is your set command. Okay, this is your table name, and this is your column that that you have decided to modify, and this is a new value that you are supplying to this. Okay. Now you should write the where class. So where class is for filtering. Yeah, guys, what is a filter?
Phone number equals to 101.
101.
Correct. So in PhonePe we do the same thing, right? We'll select his,
Uh,
his phone number or his scanner. Internally nothing but it's a phone number only, correct? Yeah, guys, your query is done or anything else you want to do? Change. Jyoti FP2. Can you go mute, please? Thank you. Guys, is it enough? Or modify term also need to modify?
Modify time
Raj,
also.
Rajesh created an account at 6:59. Correct? But now there's a transaction is happening at 7 o'clock, 3rd minute. Correct? So this has to be updated, right? Guys, are you following? Are you
Yes, sir.
following? Then one more column. The column name is something modified, right? Modified equal to, you should say, guys, sys timestamp. You understood why I written timestamp, system timestamp? Guys, you
sir.
understood? Hmm.
Sir.
Guys, this is our intention, right? Our intention is we have to credit some amount. That's done. But at what time it did? At what time it did it? So what is modified time into? It will take your system time some, I think, but at what time this query is running, okay, that time will be updated into the DB. So let's do this. This is what, a real-time use case that I want to see. Your one row is updated. Don't forget to do a command. It's a DML command. Okay, it's a DML command. Now guys, go to DB, just refresh it. Okay, go to the data and see guys, amount is credited. And also, can you see at what time it is modified? It created at 6:59. But yeah, there's a transaction has happened something, at 7 o'clock, third minute. I hope this is everyone clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Can I assume that you guys are following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. And then in that case, let me quickly take you, one more requirement here. So the next requirement will be now. So the first one is Rajesh receives, 200 rupees, right? Let's say you had some breakfast outside. Okay, let's say Veda had some breakfast in something, not even center. Now Veda need to send some amount. Okay, see, she has to send 100 rupees. Veda need to send 100 rupees from her account. See, I was not talking about your other account numbers. In the two use cases, I was not talking about, other account numbers. Rajesh anyhow he receives from his father, and Veda is going to be sending the amount to, the shop owner. That I was not discussing. I was discussing, how sent means what? Credit or debit?
Debit.
Debit.
Yeah. So what is the operation I have to change?
Minus.
Minus 10.
Minus 100.
Minus.
Is modified is required?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Guys, remember that at the time of table creation, you should write created date, modified date columns. At the time of table creation, that's mandatory. At the time of update, you should update your modified column also with the current timestamp. Okay. I think this account number will be 105. Right? So if you run it, guys, 100 rupees deducted from the Veda account. I hope this is clear, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And last one, I think this is, the two-way transaction will do. The two-way nothing but Arun. Arun has 200 rupees, right? Right. Right. Let's see here. Arun wants to send, Arun want to send 150 rupees, 150 rupees to Kiran guys. This is the requirement. Okay. This is generally will happening, right? Now tell me guys, how many queries need to write? How many queries you need to write?
2 queries.
2 queries, credit and
Wait, yeah, you're absolutely correct. So your credit one is debit query or credit query? Debit query or
Debit.
credit query?
debit query.
Debit.
query.
First, always, debit. Yeah, you're absolutely correct. And the second query will be
Credit.
Credit.
correct. So here, how many queries you have to write now? 2 queries. First, debit query you have to write. Debit in the sense from which account amount will be debited?
Arun.
Arun.
Arun with the timestamp. Next, whatever the amount is there, that amount as it is sent to.
Kiran.
Kiran.
That's exactly happening on daily our PhonePe transactions. I'm not writing that queries. You will write it and you can see that observation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll be giving this is to you as a task. So this is interesting, I believe, because this is our daily activity that we do, right? Okay. Yeah, I'll be sending to you this and this class notes, or else guys, I'll be sending you along with the today class notes only here. Okay. Guys, we practice some queries on employee table. Okay. Employee table. And yeah, on PhonePe. This is a real-time use case I have explained. So the queries are there in the paint. If you open the paint, you can see what we have practiced. And these two guys, you need to finish it. So then you'll get some confident. All good on update command?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the typical part here is?
Yes.
What is the typical part?
Syntax.
That's it. This is a syntax, guys. Okay, update table name, set, and then where class. Okay. So, guys, I'm done with the fundamentals in SQL. Okay. So, as part of the fundamentals, I covered create insert command. Okay. Create insert command and DML commands, DML, all UDI commands, and then alter and update also, guys, we discussed. Okay. And today, guys, not today, maybe today is Wednesday, right? So, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and next entire week, only one concept I'll be discussing, only one topic. And if you ask me, sir, what is the weightage for that, topic, I can give you 80% of interview. Your questions will be asked on only one topic. The topic something, select command. This is your DQL query. Okay, DQL command. Okay, so this is your DQL command. Next entire week, I'll be discussing only one topic, select command only. This 2 to 3 days, and as well as next entire week. 80% of your interviews will ask only the queries on select. And in project perspection also, we use a select command 80% again. 80 to 90% we use it. 10 to 15% only, rest of all commands. You remember SQL has totally 14 commands. In 14, the only one command we use in the project regularly, that is select command. 90% will use a select command only. Okay, chalo. Guys, today, I'll be deep diving into introduction part of the select command. Okay, so this is the today session and very important session. I'll be going, select a command. So as I just now explained, select is a read operation or write operation. Will it do read or write operation?
Read operation.
Read operation.
Read operation.
This command do read, or I can say read, or I can say something safe operation. Guys, why it is safe operation? Anyone?
You are not modifying the table. Just
Nice. If you are a fresher, okay, they will always give you the read permission to you in any project. Because if they give read, write, and if you change by mistake anything, this will be a business impact. Okay. So yeah, this command do read operation, nothing but retrieving the rows from a table. Okay. And I can say it is a part of DQL command. What in by DQL?
Data query.
Data query language.
The word
Data
querying in the sense, retrieving. The word querying in the sense retrieving, guys. That's the reason it is, it's a part of data query language command. Okay. So let's see the syntax. And guys, this has a big syntax. In entire SQL journey, you'll see only the two places more difficulty, select command and triggers. Okay. So yeah, I'll be discussing the select command now. Now guys, the way that we learn the update command now, similarly, I'll go with the select command also step by step. And I'm sure I have more 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, I'll make you perfect the syntax first. If you know syntax, in next entire week, I believe you can write the queries. Okay, right. So the syntax is select column 1 name, comma, wait, yeah, column 2 name, so on. This is the first step. Select column 1, comma, column 2. Sir, what it means? Yeah, we'll go to the table first. So let's start from tab. If I say, let's take a small table. I think I'll take this table, very small, depth. Guys, the first command, if you see, select column 1 name, comma, column 2 name, right? Column 1 name and column 2, so on. Nothing but a table can have multiple columns, correct? Now, here, guys, you have to list out which column data you required. This is a point number 1. I mean, the line number 1. From, you should write your table name, guys. Yeah, you should write this is the second line, guys. I think the first 2 lines are clear, everyone. First line is select command, and select, when you are doing select, you should mention which columns you want to select, which column you want to select, and from which table you want to select. Okay, this is, I think, clear on the 2 lines, I believe. Guys, next portions are next, totally we have, totally four options are there, guys. And these four options are optional. These four classes are optional. You should not say class. It's wrong. It's wrong. You should not pronounce it as class. You should pronounce as a class. This is the right case. Next, I'll be explaining four classes. The four classes are optional for a select command, and based on a requirement, we will be using it. Okay, but this is mandatory. Select from is up to here. It's mandatory. Remaining all are optional. And for remaining is remember the shortcut. Remember the shortcut. The shortcut is this one, guys. The shortcut is remember. Please make a note. The shortcut is this one. WGHO. WGHO. Okay. Guys, please by heart with me syntax because entire next week we'll be practicing the same things. Okay. Please practicing this. So the syntax for the remembering all the four classes, WGHO. W for where. Okay. G for group by, H for having, and O for ordered by. Okay. WGHO. And this is the order, guys. You should not change the order. Okay, we should not write group by first and then where. Okay, so we should not write that. The strict order is WGHO. Okay, and let's get into one by one again. Whenever you use where, you should write a condition. Whenever you will, you'll write where, you should mention the condition. And whenever you write having, also you should write the condition. I'll repeat. Condition you have to write in two classes, where class and having class. Where class and having class. So generally condition for filtering, right? Okay, we understood somehow how where class is working for filtering. Again, why you're filtering? Yeah, that I'll discuss maybe next 5 minutes. Okay. But yeah, as per the syntax, you need to remember where class have a condition, having class also have a condition portion. Sir, what about the group by and ordered by? Yeah. Yes, whenever you mention group by, you have to just mention your column name. Just you have to mention your column name. Similarly, whenever you use group by, also this you have to mention the column name. And at the end, you have to write either ASC or DSC. I'll discuss this what ASC, DSC and all, no worry. And that also you can keep it in again one more square basis. I'll tell you why and all. But guys, this is a big syntax for your complete select command. Okay, maybe I'll go with some decoration. Okay, so then maybe you'll get more understanding. Let's make everything black first. Wait. Yeah, I did a block. Okay, so first they'll do is this is your select orange and from is also orange. And guess here you have to mention your green color, you have to mention your column names. And in sky blue color, you have to mention your table name. And this where class is for filtering, having class also for filtering. I'll be using the same red color. So the red color indicate that you have to prepare a condition. Okay, guys, please stop me when I was explaining any one of the class, and if you're not clear why that, yeah, you can stop me happily. Okay, and let's go with the group by. Generally, group by for grouping the rows. Okay, and let's use some different color for this, maybe blue, and ordered by let me use some purple. Okay, I think I'm done. So let me explain you guys now. Wait, let me increase this font more. Okay, I think it's pretty good. I mean, I think it's looking good, everyone. Okay. Okay, and whenever you use a where class, you have to write a condition. Whenever you write the having class also, you should write the condition. And group by, you just need to mention your, your column name. I'll be using some brown. And ordered by also, you should mention some column name. Okay, guys, please by heart it. Just by heart it blindly. During practice session, you will come to know. But please first day, you can by heart it. Okay, let's focus on the first two lines, guys. I think more I have a 10 minutes. I'll summarize at the end of session. I'll summarize this entire syntax. Okay. Now, guys, first we'll focus on this. Okay. Now, this table has 3 columns, right? Now, I want to print only ID. I want to print only IDs, guys. Now, select ID from department. Select ID from department. Now, if you write that query, okay, if you write that query, you'll get only one column. You'll get only one column. Okay. Sir, I need ID and total. I need ID, employee department ID, and how many people are there in the department. And then you should say ID, comma, depth, guys, how to write it. Depth, guys, you need to write it. Okay, I think maybe the column name is wrong. I'll be using, yeah, total, right? Sorry, my bad. I need to write something total. Let's hit it. Guys, you can see now. Yeah, IDs we are getting and total number of employees, we are getting it. So guys, if you see this query, this is reading one column value. This query is nothing but reading one column value, and this is reading multiple column values by comma separation. By comma separation, you can read multiple column values also. But sir, I don't want to go with one column value. I don't want to go with multiple column value. I want to print all column values. Then just write star. A star indicates that all columns. How many of them? That many columns you need to do it. I think with this explanation, I believe everyone clear on the first 2 lines in the syntax. Can you please confirm in the chat?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
just expecting one thumbs up symbol. Okay. Nice. Okay, chalo guys, then I'll explain remaining 4 clauses. The order I explained WGHO, but I was not going in practical today. Okay, but I'll try to summarize, what each command will do. I mean, what each class will do is. First case, we'll go with this ordered by. Very simple. Ordered by, I'll go. Okay, ordered by, I'll go. Let's go. Yeah, where is the table? Yeah, here it is a table. Let's get into the employees table. Let's get to the employee table. Yeah. Now, guys, if you see this table data, can you focus on their names? Not names. Maybe I'll go with departments. Guys, are the departments in are the department values are arranged in ascending order? Array, HR, finance
No,
in
sir.
alphabetical
No,
order.
sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Are the salaries are arranged in ascending order?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Cities?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
You understood, right? Okay. So if you want to sort one row, if you want to sort a row values either in ascending or descending, then guys, you'll be using a class called something, ordered by. Okay. So ordered by class, you use it for sorting. Okay. And when you do sorting, you have 2 options. Either you can sort low to high, nothing but it could be you can take numbers or alphabets. Okay. Or yeah, and then another approach is high to low, guys. You can sort it. Again, you can take numbers or alphabets, whatever it is. And if you're sorting low to high, nothing but yeah, low to high. This is called as ASC, nothing but ascending order. Okay, and if you're sorting high to low, we call as something, this is descending order. So this is something, the meaning of ASC and DSC. Here DSC is nothing but descending order. Don't confuse. Okay, ASC means ascending order. This is something, what sort will do it. And the real time is if use case, if you ask me in Amazon, if you search any product, you'll get prices. I mean, you'll get multiple products with their prices. But if you want to see which one is highest price, then you have an option filter. Then you can select high to low. I mean, yeah, you have an option there, high to low or low to high. That's, generally the sorting will do. I hope this is makes sense. What ordered by will do it. Ordered by use it to sort the rows either in ascending or descending order. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
All good?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
nice. let's get into, guys, the second class. Now, where class? Sir, what where class will do? Yeah, guys, you know what where class will do here?
Filter.
Now, yeah, exactly. It will filter. Now, guys, if you see in IT department, I want to print only IT department rows. I want to print only IT department employees only 80. This is something filtering, right? And also one more use case. Let's talk about. I want to print only only Pune employees, and I want to print whose salary below 50,000, below 50,000, or above 50,000. Okay, or less than or equal to 50,000, or greater than or equal to 50,000, or not equal to 50,000. Okay, this is all, guys, something filtering. And I want to print only alias details. And I want to show only EVA details. This is all something magic of where class, guys. A where class used to filter the rows. Filter the rows. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Can you summarize what is ordered by will do? What is where class will do? Please summarize quickly.
Ordered by clause is used to sort particular
Sorting
column
of
values.
Either in ascending or
Either
descending.
or
Good.
descending order.
Okay. What where class will do?
filter the record.
Filter the rows.
Filter the
Filter the
rows
rows.
based
So
on
for that
condition.
purpose, yeah, based on the condition you have to write it. Chalo. Next we'll go something group by, guys. I'll ask you some questions here. Can you ping in the chat? I'll ask you some questions now. Ping your answers. Can you can you ping your department number? I mean, sorry, your department name. Hey, I'm asking, can you drop your department name? Are you from CSE or EC or EEE? Can you ping quickly? Okay. Now, can you ping your state, AP or Telangana? Quick. Can you ping your gender? Ping your gender. Okay, I'll stop it. Now, if you again observe the three questions, the first question, what I asked you guys, your department. Okay, let's assume all students are, sitting on an auditorium. Okay, and then what I announce here is there are 4 rooms. Okay, there are 4 rooms with labels CSE, EC, EEE, and MEC. So what I said, hey, all CSE people, can you go to that room? I mean, whichever I labeled CSE. Hey, all EEE people, go to that room where the EC label was there. So what I was doing, out of 200 or 300 people, I was grouping you and put it into one room, correct? Based on your branch name, right? So definitely we'll go to the specific your labels room, correct? That's what your group by will do it. And second use case, if I give it 3 rooms, okay, with labeling TS, AP, and others, then yeah, definitely we'll go to specific room labels, correct? That's another grouping. And let's say another use case, I have only 2 rooms now, a male or female, right? And definitely based on your group, yeah, you will be getting to this. That's the group by will do. So what group by will do, it group your rows. Okay, guys, it will group your rows based on a common value. Now if you see, guys, I want to know how many people are from IT department. How many people are from IT department? So in IT, how many people are there? Guys, in IT, how many people are there?
3, sir.
3, sir.
3. Go ahead. Next, HR, how many? HR,
Two.
2, sir.
2.
2, sir.
Finance,
3, sir. 3.
Three
3,
people.
sir.
3. Okay, and then marketing.
2, sir.
Two.
Sir.
That's it. Any other departments that we left? No, right?
No, sir.
Totally 10 departments. Now you understood, right? What group by will do? Hey guys, we are not
Yes, sir.
practicing today, anything, with practically. This we are learning theoretically. So this is, the group by result.
By department.
Right. So here what we are doing, group by department, and we are doing something, count. Right. Group by department and their count. How many people are there in this? So this is the result. Up to here, clear everyone? Up to here, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, guys, focus your eyes. Focus your eyes on this result. Focus your eyes on this result. This result is from group by class. This result is from group by class. Agree? Agree?
So,
This result
Yes,
is from
sir.
group by class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, from this
Yes, sir.
result, okay, from this result, I need one filter, guys. I need one filter. The filter is something, show.
Having.
No, yeah. Show departments whose count is whose count is 3 and above 3. Whose count is 3 and above 3. Guys, this is my one more requirement. In this output, I have a one more requirement. Now tell me, if you apply this filter, what rows will be deleted here?
Yes, sir. HR and
Marketing, sir.
Correct. Only IT and finance will be eligible. Guys, this is a way we have to use something, having class. This is a way, we have to use something, having class. Okay, you understood right now the difference between where class and having class? Where class is
Sir,
straight away you
order
can wait. Where class, straight away you can filter the rows. Using where class, you can straight away filter the rows. Having class, only filter rows which are coming from the group by. Having class, do filter on rows which are coming from only group by class. That's what having will do it. So this is the having result. Always having should follow your group by results only. This is just a theoretical part. Yeah, in practical session we'll be going more. But whatever the syntax I explained, yeah, that's you have to by heart it, please. Okay, from tomorrow onwards we'll be practicing this. Yeah, I think someone is
using
raising a
order
question. Why you are mixing order by here?
Order
Wait.
by.
Why? Why you are taking order by here? Ordered by is just for sorting, no? Got it, ma? Sorting is different than filtering, correct? Understood?
Yes, sir. We use first group by, sir, then you can use order by for filtering.
Come again?
First you use group by, sir. Like filtering data using department.
Okay.
Then using how many
No.
members are there in the department is using the query called order by.
No, ma. Ordered by just do, sort your rows. Either ascending or descending. That's it. Okay. So how
Okay.
these results will be calculated, everything will come to know by learning some fundamentals. See, I just now shown you teaser in my point of view. A select command teaser I have shown you. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, every day, movies. I mean, every day, part 1, part 2, part 3 movies, you can see it. At the end of the day only, you'll come to know this full-fledged syntax meaning, guys. At the end of the day of select command. I definitely one day I'll announce, hey, your select command is done. Then come back and see this. The syntax will become very easy to you. Okay?
sir,
Yeah.
can we use having clause without using group by?
No, that's what I explained. Always having will filter rows which are coming from group by only. So they are interrelated. Okay?
So we have to use both of them on this, or else we don't have to use any of them.
Correct. You can use group by alone, but you cannot use having alone. You should use having along with group by. only. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you
I'm done.
explain how to add AM and PM to a timestamp?
That's okay, ma. I'll make a note and I'll show you tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys, then. Bye, everyone. Good night. Thank you.